Hello dear crafters, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to write this beautiful letter for your favorite teacher for upcoming Teachers Day with this handmade background and these lovely quilling flowers. Isn't it very pretty? So without any delay, let's start with procedure. For this we need some quilling strips, some inks, ink blending tool, quilling tool, liquid glue, scissor, half cut pearl, some markers, white color sheet and some stencils of your choice. First I am taking this A4 size white sheet. This is approx having 260 GSM thickness, and here I am taking this sun rays stencil from Dress My Craft, and using yellow and orange archival ink I am just creating a texture. You can use any kind of stencil which you have, or you can directly use any pattern paper. So this is done. Now I am taking this star stencil and using pink color ink, making the star pattern here and there. So this is done and our paper is ready. Now I have created some lines so that I can write my sentiment, and for writing purpose I am taking this calligraphy pen which is having one number, and I will start by writing my message. Dear teacher, thank you for continually inspiring me to do my best. You help me to strive for goals. I found guidance, friendship, discipline and love, everything in one person, and that person is you. Happy Teachers Day. like this. Now I will decorate this using some punched border and creating a frame. This punch is from Dress My Craft again. Like this. Now I will start with quilling flowers. So for the first flower I am taking one strip of pink color and half strip of dark pink color, and I am making one Malaysian flower petal. Here I am using today 2 mm strip for whole project, but you can also use 3 mm or 5 mm. Just add little glue and pinch it. Now just fold it from center, and I am wrapping this petal using orange color strip. So the petal is ready. Now I am joining 5 petals. Then for the center I am taking one strip of yellow color and making one tight coil. So we need total 4 flowers. Now I am starting with this cute blue flower. For this I am taking one strip of blue color and making one tight teardrop dome shape. Adding glue inside the dome, and then I will join 5 petals and I will add half cut pearl for the center. So we need total 8 these type of flowers. Now I am starting with leaf. For this I am taking 1/4 strip of light green and 1/4 strip of sap green and making one leaf shape. I will join 3 leaves together. So this is done. In the same way we need total 8 leaves. Now I am starting with scrolls. For this I am taking 2 1/4 strip of light green and 2 1/4 strip of sap green. Just combined all together, fold it from center and using pointed tweezer just roll it. So you will get a beautiful scroll design. Just cut the excess strip from bottom and secure it. So scrolls are ready. We need 8 scrolls. And also I have created these tight coils using half strip of blue and half strip of yellow. So all the shapes are ready. Now I will start decorating my letter. So this time I'm decorating in all four corners. So this is done. In the same way I will decorate bottom two corners. So I have added the quilling decorations in all four sides. Now for little shiny look I am just adding yellow and pink color sequences. Like this. Isn't it looking very pretty? You can just glass frame it and gift it to your favorite teacher. I am sure you will try it very soon. So my project is done for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.